Hi guys, and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how you can access your recycle bin on the Samsung Galaxy A35 or other similar models. So if you want to delete photos, files, documents or any other thing in your phone, you need to access your recycle bin in order to delete them instantly. If you don't do that, they will be deleted in about 30 days. So to do that, go to Files, scroll all the way down and go to Recycle Bin. Here you have all the photos and documents that you pressed delete on, and they will stay here for 30 days depending on when you pressed delete. Click on the three dots here and click on Empty. Again on Delete, and that's it. You cleaned up your phone. Thank you guys for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next tutorial.